Hello, I'm Jonah, and I'm going to tell a reflection of the poem Madam of Her Man and Her Madam by Langston Hughes, from the perspective of Langston Hughes. I wrote this poem because I wanted to express how some relationships are. The relationship between Alberta and the Madam is a strange one. Madam loves Alberta, but Alberta thinks Madam is too misunderstanding of her hard work, which is kind of true. This is the scene from the poem where I got the information that the Madam loves Alberta. It says right there that she loved her. And here is the scene from the poem where I got the information that Alberta had to work hard. She had to get breakfast, dinner, supper, take care of the children, wash, iron, and scrub, walk the dog, and she felt that it nearly broke her down. Like I said earlier, Alberta thinks that the Madam is too misunderstanding of her hard work, which is kind of true. But it cannot be too true, and Alberta cannot be too right, because the Madam has to be pretty rich to get a maid, and that means to get rich you have to work hard. So the Madam must have worked hard at least at one point in her life. But although it is possible that she could have inherited the money from someone else, so maybe Alberta knew that the Madam had not worked hard to get her money. She had just inherited it from someone else. I also wrote this poem to express the ingratitude of some people. Alberta was like this because although some people were starving and homeless and had lots of bigger problems than Alberta's, Alberta complained that she had to work too hard, nothing compared to the other problems that other people had. But if the Madam actually loved her, she would hire someone to help Alberta, and Alberta shouldn't be so quick to say she didn't love the Madam. Alberta was kind of judgmental. The Madam might not have actually been a bad person. She might have actually, like Alberta thought, just been misunderstanding and not knowing that this work was too much for one woman. So this makes me think that Alberta was pretty shifty and might have actually been a bad person in the story. In conclusion, I mainly wrote this to describe character and relationship, as well as the obvious reason to write a poem, to tell a story.